Welcome to Mrs. Overson's Canvas course. This is a tutorial to be able to navigate through the navigation menu and to get into Canvas and to be able to do anything that you need to within the course. So first we're going to click on the course itself. From here, I have my home page set up, and you can always click in the navigation menu to home, and it'll take you right back here every time. And first we have my name and the school I teach at, the phone number and my email, a picture of myself, and then I have a course disclosure. You can click on the words itself or to actually preview the document. I have the e-sign document for the course disclosure. It's a little questionnaire, a parent letter about the course itself, what the parents can expect, standards reference grading, a citizenship essay if students need that for improving their citizenship, and then this is the end of year teacher survey, which students will be able to fill out that questionnaire come the end of the school year. Right here I have modules is underneath the home button, so if we click modules, I have a whole bunch of modules already. We've done 1 and 2 step equations. Here are all of the notes and the answer keys to our workbook. We also have videos within this module, and at the very top of every module I put the standard so that students can see what it is that they're working towards, what their goal is. Students are able to solve 2-step equations, the I can statements, and every single one of them has a proficiency scale. So we're just going to go back. The next one is discussions. And here we have a couple of discussions on 1 and 2 step equations and multi-step equations. Quizzes. We have 1-step equations quiz of 5 different questions of different types. So here we have a multiple choice, a true false, a fill in the blank, a choose the best, and then finally an essay question. So if we go back to quizzes, I have another one that is connected to an assignment, and it just is kind of a multi-step or multi-choice assignment just so students can see where they're at. I do have a Mastery Connect in my navigation, Nearpod, of course the files, outcomes, and assignments. And within my assignments I have the 1-step equations, and looks like that's not the one that had the rubric. I haven't done that rubric yet. I think it was 2-step. And here is the grading rubric for the 2-step equations. Please let me know if you need anything else for this. Thank you.